When you don't properly maintain your sleep equipment, you could get sick. And so could your whole family. Sleep equipment manufacturers recommend daily cleaning, and SoClean 2 is a helpful complement to your daily routine. Just place your equipment in, close the lid, and walk away. Maintaining your sleep equipment with SoClean 2 is easy. With no disassembly and no water required, you'll have peace of mind. Try SoClean 2 risk-free for 30 days. Order now and save $100. Call 800-305-5052. That's 800-305-5052. Or visit SoClean.com.